Imagine a computer detecting heart murmurs or irregular rhythms from a recording. How do AI models learn to listen to the heart? Researchers tested two approaches: convolutional neural networks, CNNs, which focus on local patterns like the lub-dub of a heartbeat, and transformers, which analyze global context, like reading a sentence instead of individual words. But heartbeats vary. To adapt, scientists used two data prep methods: slicing sounds into fixed-time chunks or aligning them with the heart's natural rhythm. Results: CNNs achieved 80% accuracy with fixed chunks, excelling at detail. Transformers were faster but less precise. However, rhythm-aligned data boosted both models. CNNs still led. Yet challenges remain. Incomplete labels in training data hinder learning. AI isn't replacing doctors. It's a tool, like a supercharged stethoscope, aiding early diagnosis. The future: collaboration. Machines and experts working together could transform care. Who knows? Your phone might analyze your heartbeat during a call. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tech deep dives. What's next? Let me know in the comments. Stay curious.